Welcome to Ranky 10 Video Rankings. We announce the top 10 rankings of coffee machine cleaner. Let's get started. Ranking number 10. Urnex Grindz Coffee Grinder Cleaning Tablets. The first ever cleaner for coffee grinders, Grindz is made of grains and cereals, and comes in coffee bean-shaped tablets. Grindz gently dislodges coffee particles, while absorbing coffee oil residue, when ground through your grinder. The gluten-free tablet absorbs and loosens coffee grounds. Gluten-free. Food safe. Prevent flavor transfer. Ranking number 9. Keurig 40579, Descaling Solution. Keurig brewer performance matters. Descaling regularly helps remove mineral buildup that can affect taste and quality, and ensures your Keurig brewer produces a perfect cup every time. This descaling solution is compatible with all Keurig brewers, including Revo. Fast-acting. Odorless. Extends the life of brewer. Ranking number 8. K&J Universal Descaling Solution. K&J Universal Descaling Solution is 100% water-soluble, and washes through without a trace, leaving behind super clean internal parts, and nothing else. It improves the taste of your next cup, by eliminating the metallic deposit tea flavor. Proprietary blend of natural, food-grade ingredients. Eats aggressively at grime and buildup. Coffee machine cleaner. Ranking number 7. Essential Values Descaler and Cleaner. Essential Values Descaler and Cleaner is universal. It will work with any single-serving coffee machine, such as Keurig, Nespresso, DeLonghi, Black & Decker, Hamilton Beach, Bun, and Capresso, and so many more. Increase life of machine. Improves taste of coffee. Fresh coffee every time. Ranking number 6. Urnex Cafiza Espresso Machine Cleaning Tabs. This cleaning tablets eliminate coffee residue and oils from espresso machine group heads, valves, and lines. The tablets are specially formulated to clean heavily soiled equipment in a professional setting. Organic Materials Review Institute listed. NSF certified. Easy and controlled dosing. Ranking number 5. Brew-Right Coffee Maker Cleaner. Brew-Right Coffee Maker Cleaner removes mineral deposits and bitter coffee oils better than vinegar. Using this cleaner improves brewing, so that your machine will consistently provide cafe-quality coffee and espresso. It can be used for all automatic drip and espresso machines. Non-acidic. No harmful residue. Removes hidden deposits. Ranking number 4. DeLonghi SER3018, EcoDeCalk Machine Descaler. Used regularly, the DeLonghi EcoDeCalk Machine Descaler liquid significantly reduces the likelihood of premature breakdown from scale buildup, increases the energy efficiency, and improves the flavor and crema. Packaging is made of recycled plastic. Results in high performance of coffee machines. All natural. Ranking number 3. Impresa Coffee Machine Descaler. Impresa Coffee Machine Descaler is suitable for cleaning automatic machines, manual machines, pod, capsule, K-cup machines, filter machines, commercial machines, cappuccino machines, kettles and electric water heaters. Custom formulated. Removes mineral buildup. Powerful and effective. Ranking number 2. Urnex Cafiza Espresso Machine Cleaner Powder. Urnex Cafiza Espresso Machine Cleaner Powder is recommended for use with a wide range of traditional espresso machines, and is NSF certified for metal compatibility and safety. It is Organic Materials Review Institute listed. Foam and solubility balanced. Concentrated formula. Integral to the daily back flush regimen. Finally, ranking number 1. Jura 64308, Cleaning Tablets. This is for use with Jura automatic coffee centers. In combination with the integrated, electronically controlled cleaning program, it reliably removes coffee fats between the brewing unit and the coffee spout. Helps ensure great tasting coffee drinks, cup after cup. Removes all inner oil buildup in the machine. Phosphate-free.
Hi, did you enjoy this video? New videos will be updated every 2 days. Please subscribe to Ranky 10 channel. It will be super helpful to us. Thanks for your subscription. You'll be blessed.
Thanks for watching. Check ranking scores and more details on ranky10.com.